I'm going to share a bit of what I've been working on this week in routine. So this goes around types. So I'm going to introduce you types that you don't really have seen before. Remember that everything is still in progress, so there might be some things that are not done or some things that do not look very polished, but that everything is okay with that for now. So we have a new tab that is called types. You have in that all the default types and some custom types that are created. So we're going to create a new type, which we are going to conveniently name type. We can add some properties there, like a title. We're going to add a select, which could be a status with to do as an option, doing and done, for instance. We're going to add a boolean that could be named checked, and we could add a number for now. That could be I don't know, something like year. Don't worry, later down the line we'll have a date property. It's going to be done a bit later. So let's create that type, and I'm going to be able to show you what I've been working on this week. So for now, we're just going to create some object of this type. To do that, we'll later add a UI, but for now, we're just going to type this, and this will create 3 objects. Let's delete these are only view. We don't need those views. We're going to delete those. The objects are still created within routine, and we can create a view that will display all the new object of type. So these are the 3 objects I created. We're going to edit some to have more option, like new title. The status could be to do, and the year could be 2025. Let's put some data here, like a new object. The status could be doing and could be checked, and the year could be 2024. And let's leave the last one empty. So what I've been working on this week is grouping on those properties and allowing to update them by drag and dropping in the board view. So let's put in the board view, and let's group by statuses. As you can see, we have multiple different statuses and multiple options. These are the statuses that we defined. If we're going to, for instance, checked, we'll have no checked, which is I haven't filled check or no check, and you have false or true. You can do the same with the number, and you can do the same with the title. As you can see, there are still some quirks to be working on, but what's important is you can now move them. So if I want to update that object, I can put it to false, and it's going to update the checked properties. If I'm putting it to true, as you can see, the checked property is going to be updated as well. And if you want to empty the property, you can put it to no check, and it will be emptied. For now, for a boolean, the empty status is displayed the same as false, but it might be something we can change later. So that's basically what I've been working on this week. I'm going to optimize it a bit more, and I'm also going to work on a new UI to be able to create those objects instead of just typing / with the name of an object very soon. So let's check back on that next week.